Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to hide apps on iPhone. First, locate the app you wish to hide on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options. Then, choose Remove from Home Screen to keep the app in your app library, but off your main pages. This simple step helps declutter your device and keep certain apps out of immediate view. To remove an app from your home screen, simply long press its icon until the context menu appears. From there, tap Remove App, and then choose Remove from Home Screen. This action moves the app solely to your app library, making your home screen cleaner and more private. The app is still fully functional and can be found with a quick swipe to the app library or by using Spotlight Search. For a deeper level of privacy, you can hide apps from the app library and Spotlight Search. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap Siri and Search. Find the app you want to hide from search results. Tap on it, then toggle off Show App in Search and Show Content in Search. This ensures the app won't appear when you swipe down to search or browse your app library categories. For even more control, explore screen time settings under Content and Privacy Restrictions to manage app visibility, especially useful for parental controls. You can also create a folder for apps you rarely use and place it on a far-right home screen page, making them less noticeable. Remember, these methods help maintain your digital privacy and organization. Check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.